Hello everyone! In this video tutorial, we will show you how to check email on Spotify. So, let's dive right in. Head over to your desktop and open a web browser. Go to open.spotify.com and log into your Spotify account. Once you've successfully logged in, look for your profile picture in the top right corner. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From the menu, select Account. This will take you to your account settings page. Here, you can manage your profile information, payment details, privacy settings, and more. Once you're in Account, click on Edit Profile. On the next page, you'll see your username and email address associated with your Spotify account. You can even edit this information if needed. And there you have it. Checking your email on Spotify is as easy as that. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more handy tips and tricks.